Hey everyone, welcome to barbecue episode,
We are making speezy
which is it's meat, skewered meat with other vegetables. And this one is going to be pork,
with some bell pepper and onion.
and we can't forget the Polska kielbasa. Yum. So let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking!
Woo!
Here's our ingredients. We have our ingredients that are going to be skewered and ingredients for a marinade.
Yes.
We're going to put our pork in.
And I started out by cutting the garlic up, first removing the papers, and then chopping it up. You can chop it, the more finely you chop it, the more garlic flavor you will have. So I just chopped it into medium coarse pieces for this, and that's the base of our marinade.
And then this is mustard.
Yeah, mustard powder.
Yeah,
just
mustard
ground
powder.
mustard. And it's interesting. We think about what goes on hot dogs in America. It's mustard and ketchup. Well, that's the base for our marinade plus garlic. We've got mustard powder and ketchup,
And some Worcestershire
Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, Worcestershire sauce. And now we're adding thyme.
Yes.
It's time to add that herb and basil.
And then we're going to mix it all together and let it sit while we cut up our meat.
Yes, and you don't want dry clumps in the marinade. And here I go.
Cutting that meat.
Yep, and we're going to cut it into skewerable sizes and trim off the fat. So that's what I'm doing here.
Because you don't need too fatty meat.
You don't really want that. And then I'm going to mix it with the marinade. And then this is going to go in the refrigerator for one whole day before we cook. So you want to prepare this ahead of time. This shot here happened the next day.
Yep.
So now we're prepping the things to be skewered onto the speezy. And so that was kielbasa.
Yep. And this is our onion. We're just like quartering the halves. Like a eighth the onion.
Yep. And you can cut them whatever size you want. You just want them big enough so that they can go on the skewer easily. And these are our mini bell peppers. We're cutting them in half, and then I removed the ribs and the seeds from it. And now we're assembling. Yay!
Yay!
And I learned not to try to just force the meat onto the end of the skewer. That's the danger zone. Instead, you can use the skewer to poke at the meat. Yeah.
And onto the barbecue they go.
Yes. And then baste them with butter. You cannot put too much butter on these. Just keep basting them with butter, and you will thank yourself for it.
Look at them.
I'm ready to eat more of these. These are beautiful.
It's beautiful.
And lovely colors.
Here's our taste testers.
And Noah took a bite of onion. He doesn't really like onion, I should say that, right?
Yes.
And now he's trying to get some of the pork. Boy, that's an aggressive piece of pork there. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Yeah, okay. What do you think? Double thumbs up. They were pretty tasty. What did you think?
I liked the kielbasa part the best.
Yes, and well, I liked it all. I especially like the onion. Ooh, something about barbecued onion is just really amazing. We do have some tips and hints for you. What's the first one?
When you're putting everything on the skewers, don't poke your fingers.
Yeah, why is it that every time we do something with a sharp skewer, I poke myself? Yeah, don't do it, it hurts.
Yeah.
And the other hint is when it's barbecuing, go ahead and baste plenty of butter onto this stuff. It will just make it so much more enjoyable to have that rich buttery flavoring on it. And try it out. Let us know what you think. If you liked what you saw today,
please consider subscribing.
Until next time,
Dobro hut.
Bye. What did you think?